And why is it called magical? Here's why. Because it does magical just as now. This is a FLEXA-HEDRON, and did you just see that? It turned into a cuboid in just a snap. You just need a square paper to make this. No cuts, no tapes, and no glues. So for this amazing cookie catcher FLEXA-HEDRON, which is magical, that transforms into a cuboid, you need a square paper. So let's start by folding our paper into fourths. First into half, then into fourths. So this is half. Now turn over or rotate. So we have the open side and fold it to the edge. Only the front flap. Repeat sharply and turn over and do the same thing. Let's do the same thing with the other side. Like this. Now completely unfold and fold diagonally into half both ways. Like this. Now unfold. Now you see your paper should look like this. Now fold it like a diamond. Now fold this point to the 1, 2, 3rd crease first, like this. Here's what I did. 1, first point, second point, third point. Hold it right there. Now at the first, second point. Now at the first point, like this. Now let's do the same procedure with the rest of the 3 sides. So here it is done. Now let's make our model a bit easier to fold. So to make it easier, turn over and fold once again diagonally into half in both directions, so it's easier to fold. Now unfold and turn over again. Now bend this part a bit like this. Just bend it like this, and now take this diagonal over here and pinch it from down like a valley fold. So it's like this, and now do it like this. So here is a pinch like fold. Now we are going to lock it. So to lock it, you need to fold this part down so it aligns with this part like this. And now take this flap over here and just flip it like just we flip a page of a book. Now let's do the same thing with other sides. So here all the flaps are locked and here's a box. Now here comes a bit tricky step. Now you can see these creases. Just need to push on those like this. And once it is like this, try to push these sides, and if a crease is like this and it's going in, so you can just put your finger in and carefully make it, and make sure all the creases are proper. And here is your magical FLEXA-HEDRON. And now I am going to show you how to do the magic. So the magic is when we turn it into a cuboid. So the magic behind this is that we take one finger and rest it over here, and take one finger over here and put it on the corners which are facing opposite to each other, and just apply a bit force, and remember to keep one finger over here so the magic isn't really revealed. And when you remove the finger, this happens. And to make it more interesting, you can give it a shake and remove your finger. Here's the ultimate magic.
Friends, make these FLEXA-HEDRONs and impress your friends by showing your magical talent. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.